Okay, either you can write drawio.com, drawio, DRAW, or you can directly come to this. Now what you have to do, when you are in this place, you can write start, or you can come to this page and then click create diagram. Okay, so click on the create diagram, and if you have previous diagram, you click on that previous upload diagram symbol. So for example, if you have already drawn some diagram and you want some modification on that diagram, so what you have to do, open existing diagram. So let's draw some diagram. Click this. Now there are different types of diagrams are available, but now you click this flowchart. Okay, click it. Now create it, and when you are creating, save as, and this one, it will come like this. Okay, now how to draw? What you can do, you can create a blank diagram, or you can create flowchart diagram. So if you create flowchart diagram, then this one will come. You can select all this by using command A or control A and delete it. Now, say for example, I want to draw the same flowchart, this one. So what I have to do, see there are symbols, all those symbols and more than that. So what you have, ellipse, which you need for start and end. So you write, you draw it. How you can draw it? Click it here, it will automatically come. Or what you can do, click it here and drag and drop, and after that you can resize it. How you can resize it? By clicking on that, you have these dots, and then you can resize it like this. Okay, so I need this start symbol. You have many other symbol, that proper symbol of that particular thing. You can find it many other symbol here. Some advanced symbol, you can find it here. Okay, remember this one I said, display. This is circle, which you need for connecting the lines, flow lines. And for flowchart, see, this is the start, or this is the end. So either you can use this one or you can use this one. For flowchart, if when you are drawing flowchart, instead of finding the symbols randomly from these places, it has shortlisted there. You just click this flowchart portion, flowchart tab, and all the flowchart symbols are there. So start is already drawn here, and by double clicking on this, you can write start. Okay, now you want to terminate, because there will be a terminator, so you write it here, end. Now what you have here, one process box, one input box, one process box, another decision box. Okay, so let's collect this, the process box. Now you had one diamond decision box. Now you had one input box. Yeah, data. One input box. Can you relate these symbols? See? And now you have another process box. So in that case, you can copy this and you can paste it instead of clicking another one. Okay, so the same size will be created. You don't have to resize it. Now you want another, you can align it properly, and here is the end. And say you want to drag all the flowchart here, you want to make it smaller, and then you select them all by selecting by using mouse. And what you want to do, you want to drag it towards the left. Why? Because you want to draw some more symbols here. For more symbol for what? More symbol for display. What is that for display? This is delay, code, stored data. Yeah, this one. So see, here you have one type of display, this one, and in general case, you had another type of display. Remember the display. So see, both are for both are used for display. But this is some more fascinating, like more rounded symbol, and this one is more angular symbol. So both you can use. There is no harm. It looks same. So I have used in my slide this one. I am using this one. You can use this one also. How you can find it? You can just keep your the mouse pointer there, and you can see all these things are the meaning of that symbols are displayed here. You want to display the result, so make it little bit larger. So see here, when I am moving it, it gives me proper alignment. See this horizontal line and vertical line which is coming. Okay, see this one. So it means it properly aligned. You don't have to worry that whether it will look so good or not. So every time, whenever you draw this kind of symbols, make your flowchart. Don't not only drawing the flowchart, but make the flowchart beautiful with proper alignment. Now, how to write? As I said, double click on that symbol and then write counter. How to make it bigger? Go to the select all the boxes instead of selecting one by one. Select all the boxes. Go to text. Okay, then here you can change the size of the symbol so that it can be visible properly. Now you can change the style here in Times New Roman, and then you write again counter equal 1, and then press enter. You go to the next line and then you write sum to 0. Sum to 0. Now what you have to check here, in this case, you have to check you have 7 subjects in your syllabus or in your curriculum. So you want to add 7 numbers. So you can check COUN counter less than equals 7. It starts from 1. So you have to check counter less than equal 1 or not. Then get grade of a subject. Get grade of a subject. You are getting the grade of a subject, and then add sum equals sum plus grade. You can write this one or what you can write sum plus equals grade. Both are same. Sum equals sum plus grade or sum plus equal grade. This one or this one. After that, what you have to do? Increment counter. So counter equal plus equal, okay, 1. That means you increase the counter by 1, and then you will come to this place. So now your task is to connect them. Connect by using the flow line. So this is the directional connector. So what you have to do, you can double click this so that you can connect it directly like this. Okay, both way you can do that, either dragging and dropping, or you can directly see this one. Yeah, put it like this, and then you place another. You can double click here or draw another line. So when you are drawing, you can move it, something you can connect it, and then when you move it like this, it will try to connect with that portion with this in the green line. In the green line, you have some cross symbol. So you can connect these places like this, or something like this, or something like, for example, like this. In this way you can draw it or you can connect it. Okay, so it is connected. Now what will happen? You move it, it moves it along that box. So when you resize or when you redraw the symbol, you don't have to bother. It will automatically connect. It will keep the connection as it is. So it will not disturb the connection. Okay. Now you can draw it something like this, so that it looks much better with the horizontal and vertical line. Now you again draw it here. Okay, it's drawn. Now this symbol is not properly connected. Now I am deleting this, and yeah, now it is okay. Now click this one, it will automatically connect. Now you click this one, it will automatically connect. See, now it says that it is little bit displaced. So you make it proper alignment, and now you double click this, double click on this symbol, yeah, and then this one. Okay, now you click on this, and better you draw one line in this case, because it is not finding any symbol below. So you draw it, you keep it here, draw it. Okay, so again you break this line, and now go there. So instead of creating multiple times, drawing multiple lines, by using one line, you can break it, and then yeah, connect it, and then pull it. Now it will create a loop, something like this, right? Counter, when the counter equal to 7, up to that it will go like this, and when the counter increase by another 1 further after 7, it will say it will come here when it is no. So I have to write yes and no here. So I will double click in this place, and will click on this text box. So this is for yes, right? And this is for no. Okay. And now after that, what you have to do? Display the result. So this is display the grade. Display the grade. Okay. And after displaying, you have to finish it. So finish it by clicking this. Yes. So by this is the complete diagram of the thing whichever I have shown you in the slide. Now I can move this side, and then how I can do that? I can select it, I can copy it, and then paste it here. It is not working. So what you have to do? You have to export it. How you can export it? Click in File, go to Export, and save it in different types, either PDF, PNG, JPG. Different formats are available. I am using, say for example, I am using PNG. Okay, different options are given. What will be the breadth, width, border, all these things. Okay, see, if I want to give border, say 1. Okay, appearance dark, transparent background. So include a copy of my diagram. Export. So it will save in my device, and it is the number 1 flowchart. So saving it, it is saved in the download box. It will save it now. check this one. Okay, so these boxes are in black color. Now again, if you want to export this, what are the options? Let's check. So PNG. See, appearance is dark, and I made transparent background. Now you deselect the transparent background, and appearance is light. So what will happen? And with border equal to 1. So now you export and give the name 2 and save it. Okay. Now see how it looks like. Yeah. See, this is with transparent background. This is not transparent background, and with dark inside these boxes, and this is the brighter, lighter background. Now I am copying number 1, and this is the case for number 1. And I have used white background. You can use some other color for the lines that I will show you. And then you copy this one. Okay. And I'm pasting it here. For different reason, for different purpose, you can use this. Now the thing is this white background when you are exporting. So go to the style. The line is white color, right? What you have to do? You have to make some other color. Say change it to other color, something like red or something like this, for example. Okay, apply it. Okay, now you again export it. Export as PNG. Border 1 diagram, make it transparent, not dark. Now the combination of transparent and light. Okay, export it. And this is the third type of saving. Let's see how it will save. So this is the third image. Yeah, see this one. And now you copy this part. Now you copy this symbol. See, this is much better. When you draw, when you write a documentation, or you present something, instead of this, you can keep it like this. See, you can use these places for presentation. Say, for example, you want this one as orange, this one as black, this one is green, a multicolored flowchart. Okay, for different purpose, or some more colorful flowchart. So what you can do, you can select any one, or you can select all. After selecting, here you come to this style portion. Okay, go there. Here you have lines. Okay, I have chosen this black box. You can choose something else. Say this one. This is for the box. It will change the box's color. Okay, along with the lines. Or
Yes.
this one. This will also change the box, the color of the box and the line. Now, if you want this color box and different line color, so you click this place where line and this. Click it and say you want the color inside is this pink color and outside is green color. You apply it, it will be like this. Now you want the border will be much thicker. Instead of this thin line, you make it thick. Here in this place, you have points, 4 point, 5 point. See, in this place, the border is making thicker. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can choose some different line, some dashed line. It will be like this. All the symbols, all the lines will be like this. So you have all the options here. Many other options are there. For the text, like when you write some document, you have many text editing options. You can also have those options here, which are required for this.